7 क्लास की जो साइंस है उसके कुछ टॉपिक मेरी नज़र से गुजरे हैं, तो मैंने ज़रूरी समझा कि इनको क्वेश्चन आंसर की शक्ल में थोड़ा सा तरतीब दिया जाए, चूँकि बुक से स्टूडेंट के लिए टॉपिक को रीड करके उस क्वेश्चन आंसर को फाइंड आउट करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है। ये स्टूडेंट की हेल्प के लिए है। वैसे तो स्टूडेंट के लिए जो बुक बनाई गई है उसका मकसद यही होता है कि स्टूडेंट उसको खुद अच्छी तरह से सबक को रीड करे और फिर उसको उसमें से कंप्रीहेंशन का मतलब ही यही होता है कि आप सबक को रीड करके उसमें से जो क्वेश्चन आखिर में दिए हुए हैं वो आप लोगों को समझ आ जाए, आप उनका आंसर लिख सकें, आंसर बयान कर सकें, तो ये कंप्रीहेंशन होती है। तो बहरहाल उसके लिए थोड़ा सा स्टूडेंट की हेल्प के लिए एक छोटी सी वीडियो बनाई है। उसमें मैंने जो क्वेश्चन है उनको रिटन शक्ल में कंप्यूटर की स्क्रीन के ऊपर दिखाया और साथ उसको रीडिंग भी की है, ताकि अगर स्टूडेंट को या पढ़ाने में के दौरान या किसी लफ्ज़ को पढ़ने में थोड़ी सी अगर डिफ़िकल्टी पेश आती है तो स्टूडेंट उसको अच्छी तरह से ख़ुद भी कर ले, और अगर टीचर को ज़रूरत पड़े कहीं गाइडलाइन की तो टीचर भी उसको अच्छी तरह से देख ले और अच्छी तरह से पढ़ ले। तो ये जो 7 क्लास है उसकी साइंस का कुछ टॉपिक हैं, तो हम अब देख लेते हैं उनको। तो अब चलते हैं कंप्यूटर की स्क्रीन के ऊपर। क्लास 7th साइंस के मतलब क्वेश्चन आंसर हैं, इनको रीडिंग कर लेते हैं। व्हाट इज़ द सिस्टम ऑफ प्लांट्स? द प्लांट इज़ अ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. It has a system as living beings. It is made up of roots, stem and shoot system. What do you know the transport system in a plant? A plant has transport system which is made up of two separate sets of tubes. Water carrying tubes are called xylem. Food carrying tubes are called phloem. What is shoot system in plants? Above the ground level of earth there is shoot system. Shoot system consists of stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. It always grows upward. What is photosynthesis? A process by which green plants make their food is called photosynthesis. For this process, a plant needs water, chlorophyll, and light. What do you know about the respiration in green plants? Gaseous exchange in plants is respiration. Like all living things, green plants respire all the time. It is gaseous exchange in the plants. It takes place in the leaves of the plant. The stomata is the way through which plants respire in presence of water vapors and oxygen in the air. What is transpiration? The loss of water during photosynthesis through leaves is called transpiration. It occurs through the tiny holes in a leaf called stomata. Write about the factors on which rate of transpiration depends. The factors on which the rate of transpiration depends are wind, number 2 temperature, humidity, and the light of the sun at the daytime. What is respiration and how does it take place in human beings? To inhale oxygen and exhale the carbon dioxide, is called respiration. It is done in human beings through mouth, nose, and lungs in the human beings. It takes place through tiny holes in the skin but at very low level. What is breathing? It is process of exchange carbon dioxide for oxygen needed by the living beings. The human respiratory system consists of respiratory tract, lungs, bronchi, and alveoli. What controls our lungs? Two different muscles control our lungs. Bands of muscles between ribs called intercostal muscle and a muscle called diaphragm. Diaphragm is a thick sheet of muscles. What is aerobic respiration? The complete breakdown of food with the release of all the energy stored in cell. It requires the presence of oxygen. It does not take place in absence of oxygen. What do you know about anaerobic respiration? It is release of energy from glucose without oxygen. The little energy is released in this process. It occurs without presence of oxygen. What is prevention of respiratory diseases? Inhale of germs, dust, chemical fumes, and vapors cause respiratory diseases. It can be avoided by physical fitness, balanced diet, and not going to crowded and not ventilated places. Name two main respiratory diseases. The two main diseases are number one, cancer, which kills millions of people, and number two, emphysema, in which walls of alveoli becomes weak. What is transport system in human being? A movement of oxygen and good in form of glucose in body is called transport system. The transport system in human being is known as circulatory system. What are the main parts of circulatory system? The circulatory system in human being consists of the heart, which is the main organ in a human body, the vessels, which are arteries and veins, and the blood, which consists of plasma, white blood cells, and red blood cells. What does normally blood carries in it? Blood carries the blood when circulate in the body mainly carries the red blood cells, plasma, white blood cells, oxygen, carbon dioxide, digested food, hormones, and the waste urea from the cells. What are platelets? Platelets are fragments of cells formed in the bone marrow. They stop the bleeding from the cuts. 1 cubic centimeter of blood contains 25,000,000 platelets. What is the function of white blood cells in human body? White blood cells protect the body against diseases and fight infections. These are produced in the bone marrow. 1 cubic centimeter blood contains about 800,000 WBC, white blood cells. How does blood circulate in body? The heart is a pump which circulates blood vessels. The blood flows away from the heart in arteries while it flows back to the heart in veins. What are capillaries? The small blood vessels that connect arteries to veins are capillaries. How can we keep our heart and circulatory system healthy? We can keep our heart and circulatory system healthy by balanced diet, balanced lifestyle, and exercise. What is good health? Health is a state when there is no disease or obesity. It is the basic need of every living being and have good health. To have good health, balanced diet and good hygiene helps to keep our self healthy, keep you healthy. What are infectious and non-infectious diseases? The diseases caused by pathogens that can pass from one person to the other are called infectious diseases, while the diseases that cannot be transferred from one person to other are called non-infectious diseases. Name some diseases caused by viruses. The virus cause the disease such as hepatitis C, COVID-19, typhoid, dengue, etc. What is immunity? Immunity is an ability of an organ to resist infections from invading disease-causing microorganisms. What is the function of immune system? Immune system keeps the diseases away from us. Without an immune system, our bodies would be open to attack from bacteria, viruses, and parasites. How can we keep the food hygienic? Food should be cleaned with bacteria killers. Food should be cooked thoroughly to make sure bacteria are killed. Cold food should be kept away from new food. Number 4, water should be clean. What is the way of proper waste disposal? Number 1, household waste should be put into cover. Garbage should be disposed of correctly. Number 3, waste should be buried carefully so that rats and flies could not reach it. ये साइंस के कुछ क्वेश्चन थे और उनके आंसर जो है हमने रीड आउट किए हैं। इनमें के और प्रोनाउंसिएशन जो है वो जिसमें स्टूडेंट को कुछ मसाइल पेश आ सकते हैं उनको रीड आउट किया गया है। तो उम्मीद है कि आपके लिए हेल्पफुल साबित होगा।